Bonjour, it's Megan with WTI. Okay, so that was a terrible French accent, but something that is far from terrible and that's putting me in a little bit of a Parisian chic mood lately is this Ailaile cashmere and wool beret. I am someone who is extremely picky about hats, but I have to say that this hat checks all of the boxes for me. I was pleasantly surprised by how thick, soft, and warm it is. The mixture of cashmere and merino wool in this hat means that it is very, very cozy and comfortable to wear. It does not tend to make my head itchy like other hats have in the past. I love the fact that this hat is in an oversized style. I am not one of those people who can pull off a skin tight hat look. It is just not flattering on me whatsoever. This hat, on the other hand, I find to be the perfect size and completely adorable. I love using it to cap off, no pun intended, a variety of looks from formal to casual. It is really warm and it protects my head and my ears from the cold winds that we tend to get in the area where I live. It's springtime where I live now, but it is by no means warm. So I have found this hat to be great for that transition period between spring and summer. The light beige color of this hat makes it great for pairing with almost an endless variety of outfit colors. This hat proves that you do not have to sacrifice style when it is cold outside. And it's kind of making me want to plan a Paris getaway next winter, but that's just my point of view.